Hello, hello, come play today. Let's count and splash. Hooray, hooray. Are you ready? Let's all shout. Jump in the water and start to count. 1, let's splash the water. Splash, splash, gentle waves. 2, jump by the ladder. Up, up into the pool. 3, jump in the water. Splash and splash we go. 4, touch the pool edge. Tap, tap, nice and cool. 5, wave from the float ring. Wave, wave, floating high. 6, stomp in the shallow. Splash, splash, side to side. 7, wiggle on the trampoline. Bounce, bounce, little jumps. 8, stretch to the sky. Arms up, water dripping. 9, smile with the duck ring. Smile, smile, happy face. 10, we cheer together. Hooray, hooray, hooray. 1, we splash together. Splash along with me. 2, we jump near the ladder. Jump, jump into the blue. 3, we jump in the middle. Splash and splash in fun. 4, we touch the white border. Tap, tap, nice and slow. 5, we wave from the float. Wave, wave to our friends. 6, we stomp in the shallow. Stomp, stomp, water flies. 7, we dance by the trampoline. Dance, dance, bounce, bounce. 8, we reach to the sky. Reach, reach, stretch up high. 9, we smile so brightly. Smiles for everyone. 10, we cheer together. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Big splash lands on every side. Hooray, we count it with so much pride. Bye bye friends, we had our fun. We jumped, splashed, and counted to 10. See you soon on another day to sing, laugh, splash, and play. Bye bye friends, we had our fun. We jumped, splashed, and counted to 10. See you soon on another day to sing, laugh, splash, and play.